Hello, just wanted to record this video to demonstrate a problem with this estimated start date field as pertains to the copy plan button. So what happens with the estimated start date field? Now, first of all, this is the Power App UI for the planner. And this is where you have a fix. And if you're using the normal UI, you would need to come to the Power Apps UI to fix this problem. So here you would find your tasks under the tasks tab, just like you would in the normal planner. But let's talk about the summary tab here. Now, when you copy a template, it would um, change the estimated start date. If I change the estimated start date, essentially here, now if I look at my tasks, they start with starting date is 1st of December. Now, if I change my estimated start date to the 2nd of December and I click on save, if I give it a minute, my first task and all of the tasks will get pushed out by one day. And that is the behavior that Microsoft tends to leverage when when you use the copy plan functionality, where they would set the estimated start date to the current date, that is today's date, or whenever you click on the copy plan button, and all the tasks should move be pushed according to the new date, because your template might have been created a year ago and whatnot. However, this functionality of pushing the date, although the estimated start date reflects as today's date, the tasks do not get pushed out as they should, due to however this copy plan is scripted. There is some bug here. So the fix for this is you update the estimated start date in your template to today's date, save it, wait for 5 minutes for the changes on the tasks to apply, and after that you click on copy plan, right? So I'll demonstrate both the scenarios. Now, if I here I've changed the date to 2nd of December. Let's see if my tasks show the update. Yes, you see my tasks are now showing starting from the 2nd of December. Now, if I copy this plan, because today is 15th December, the copied plan has an estimated start date of 15th December. The start date should be the 15th December, but that is not the case. So let me click on copy plan, then let's wait for this to generate. So now this has the estimated start date of 15th December, and therefore the tasks should get pushed out by an equal number of days on my plan. So if I go back to the tasks here, they should have started from 15 December. You see some of the tasks, they have not moved dates and they are still reflecting the same dates that I had. But if you see this particular task somehow has the, because it's, so most of the tasks, especially the nested tasks, they never take the updates. But on the root level task, I can see the first task the change did not apply. um, and I don't think, yeah, no, it didn't apply across the board, it didn't apply to any tasks. But sometimes I get mixed results, that the date gets pushed out for some tasks, and the date doesn't get pushed out for some tasks. So that is a problem in the current copy plan button. So the temp fix for this, before Microsoft figures this out, is always, if you're copying a template, copying a plan, do it from the Power App UI, because you then have the ability to change the estimated start date. That will push out the date accordingly, and set this estimated start date to whatever today's date is. Click on save, wait for 5 minutes until your tasks here also reflect that, and your task start date is showing the new dates of 15th December. So now you see the update has occurred. Sometimes if it's a larger plan, it might take a few minutes safe to wait for 5 minutes. But if it's a small one like this, you see it updated immediately. Now if I click on copy plan, the estimated start date is 15 December, so that has to match. You have to always select, you have to always change the date on the template to today's date, this estimated start date, before clicking on copy plan, so that the dates are not messed up. So if you look here, now that is exactly what that is. And now if you want to push that out like further, you can always go back into the summary here, and here the changes made from this interface always work. Only the copy plan has a problem. So now if I want to push this, like we're starting this 2 weeks later, I can on the copy change it to the 29 December and click on save. And in a couple of minutes, these tasks also, you see they are already reflecting the newer dates and the newer end dates according to the changes that I've made here. So that's the problem and the fix. Of course, there are other problems with the copy plan script, and we have built solutions on it. If copying templates is a big part of your uh, organization. See, for instance, the assign to doesn't copy over any um, effort hours that you have modified. For example, if you this is all auto calculated based on the duration, right? So if you've wanted in your template an allocated number of effort hours as a budget estimate, and you want that to copy over, the template action doesn't bring that over. If you want the assignments, who the tasks were assigned to copy over from the template, that also doesn't carry over using this default copy plan button that Microsoft has provided. We've already solved this for a lot of other customers. So if you're struggling with templates in Planner and how the copy plan button works, feel free to reach out and we're happy to help. Thank you.